First look, Rough in Trouble. This is on my 256K stereo 800XL. I did play a little bit of this so I didn't look like a complete idiot first time out. I really like this game. And it's really hard. At least on level 2. It can use a 2-button joystick. Let's see if I can talk and play at the same time. I haven't tried the 2-button joystick yet. There's no time limit, so that helps. This scrolls better than Atari ST games. That's how good this engine is. It's running in PAL, so when there's a lot of stuff on screen, like right there, you'll see some slowdown. Animation is great. Level design is great. Traps are hard. I mean, it is a thinking man's game. Ugh. Oops. Maybe I could at least clear a level. Oh no, I'm not doing good. You can see the slowdown right there. Control's great. Of course, I'm using a joystick that has the best electronics, new PCB in it. Everything's pretty sharp. It's pretty great, man. I've been waiting for this game to come out for a long time. Alright, which way? I forget. This is a trap. Screw 'em. Over here, oh, what a dick. Oh, no. Well, I'm out. Now things get tough. Loading times could be optimized, but hey, you know, it's a free game. Took a long time to load the main engine in too, so I'm sure there's some optimizations that could be done. I'm just glad they got it running an NTSC. I'll take the slowdown. I'll deal with it. Ah! Oh, this guy. That was a good move. Can I screw them? Took a lot of health. That's cool. I think they come back. Fucker. Sorry. Ooh, checkpoint. And now you have to find keys for these things. Oh no! Now we're going on 5 minutes. Anyways, this is a great game. I'm not sure how many levels there are. Oh, I didn't know that did that. Oh crap! Oh. Need some health. Oh. Red key. Where was that? Over here? Oh no. That thing's death. Alright, that's enough. Anyway, great game. Ruff in Trouble. And it's rough. I'll put a link in the description so you can download it and try it out. Alright, thanks for watching. It's a winner. Talk to you next time.